Welcome to Pi International Education. A lot of you have been asking about our IBA, BBA, and MBA courses. So that is why we've brought today's video to help you understand what exactly you can get if you enroll for this course and how to utilize this course to prepare for your admission test to IBA. So as you can see here, we have our platform called Pi Academy. Now, if you've already enrolled for the course, you would have had an account created. So once you enter the site mypibd.com, you first have to sign up. So over here, you'll see that there will be a sign up button. So once you do that, you just create your email ID and a password. And once you've enrolled for the IBA courses, then it will show enrolled at the top of the selected course. So as you can see here, for your IBA admission test courses, we have mocks available for IBA, BBA, and for IBA, MBA as well. Then we have the entire course for the IBA admission test separated into an English part and a math part. So you can see here that they are separated. So let's take a look at what you get inside these courses. So let's say that you want to start studying the IBA, BBA English course. So once you click on start this course after being enrolled for that course, of course, then you will see all of the lectures that you have in the English part of your exam. Now over here you have an introductory video, and you can see here that the entire course for English has 340 minutes of video lectures. You have 36 lecture notes that are covering every different type of question that you can expect on the exam. You have 25 different quizzes to test your understanding, and you also have 300 plus practice questions with their answer explanation. So that's a lot of material to help you prepare. And if you look at the bottom of the page, if you scroll down, you can actually see how you can use this course. We also have an app which you can download on your phone, so you can study anywhere from any device. So once you look at the right hand corner, you can see that if you click on the topics, you have all of the lectures. You have vocabulary, for instance. It has 4 different topics: synonyms and antonyms, sentence completion using words. All of these are the different types of questions that you can expect in the English part of your IBA, BBA admission test. You also have questions on comprehension. Once you want to study a particular chapter, all you have to do is click on the particular topic, and what it does is it takes you to the page where you'll get the video for the particular lecture, and you will also get all of the lecture notes. As you can see here, all of this is the lecture sheet for studying this particular chapter. And once you're done, then you can practice by clicking on practice over here. So this is basically the quiz that is based on this particular chapter. So if you want to start the practice, you just click on practice, which is under quiz, and it will take you to this page here. So all you have to do is start the quiz, and as you can see here that this is the first quiz based on reading comprehension, and here's the question. So let's just quickly take a look at how you can answer these questions. So since we're not doing the actual question, let's say that this is the answer that you're going for. You just click next and it'll take you to the next question. Once you answer this one, let's just say that you have finished the quiz. So let's just say that you finished the quiz, then you can go to quiz summary, and then you can click on finish the quiz. We haven't answered all of the quiz questions, of course, but once that's done, then you can actually view the questions that you've answered, and you can actually see the questions you got right and which ones you got wrong. So if you get an answer wrong, you actually have an in-depth answer explanations to help you understand where you went wrong and why the correct answer is correct. So utilizing this particular course will not only help you practice, but it will actually teach you techniques for how you can pick the correct answer in the main exam, right? So this was the English part of your IBA test. If you want to go back, then you can actually click on the course again, and it will take you back to the courses. So once you click on courses, let's take a look at math now. So let's take a look at IBA BBA math course. If you click on start this course, it will take you to the starting page of the math section of the IBA BBA exam. You can see that you have all of the sections of math divided, and arithmetic, for example, covers integers, prime numbers, decimals, fraction, factor, percentage, ratio, sequence. Then it has topics for algebra, factorization functions, inequalities, exponents. You also have geometry like angles, triangles, circles, quadrilaterals, polygon, coordinate geometry, solid geometry, etc. You also have questions on word problems like mean, mixtures, profit, discount, interest rates, work, distance, sets, probability, etc. And you finally have mock tests, right? So not only do you have practice quizzes after every single chapter, you have all of the different possible topics covered and explained in detail, not just in lecture sheets, but also in videos. So you get all of this along with mocks in this particular course if you enroll. So make sure that if you have any doubts or questions, then you just call up Pi Academy. Get in touch with our offices, which are available always on call, or email us at info@pibd.com. You can also come down to our office if you still have trouble navigating the course.